Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will have the discussion of the IBPS AFO mains paper of the year 2019. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, what is the botanical name of pomegranate? The options are Punica granatum, Citrus reticulata, Prunus domestica, Vitis vinifera and Persea americana. And the correct answer, it is Punica granatum. It is the botanical name of pomegranate. Next question, question number second, what is the average gestation period of buffalo? The options are 270 days, 310 plus minus 5 days, 150 days, 114 days and 147 days. And the correct answer, it is 310 plus minus 5 days. It is the average gestation period of buffalo. Next question, in which state of India has highest forest area? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab and Odisha. And the state of India which has the highest forest area, it is Madhya Pradesh, MP. Next question, question number 4. What is the propagation method which is used for the propagation of banana crop? The options are sword suckers, veneer grafting, air layering, seed, tea budding. And the propagation method which is used for banana crop, it is sword suckers. Next question, question number 5. A female pig which does not give birth to individuals, it is called as. The options are boar, sow, gilt, dove, and the last option, it is Eve. And the female pig which does not give birth to individual, it is called as gilt. Option C. Next question, question number 6. The mating in sheep, it is called as. The options are serving, tooping, coupling, calving, lambing. And the correct option, it is tooping. It is the mating in sheep. Question number 7. What is the isolation distance which is required for the foundation seed production of okra? The options are 50, 100, 800, 1000, 400. And the correct answer, it is option, last option, that is 400 meter. It is the isolation distance which is required for the foundation seed for the production of okra. Question number 8. Vertisol is highest found in which state? The options are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab, Odisha. And the correct answer, it is Maharashtra. It is the state which has the highest vertisol order. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 9. The land holding of small scale farmers. The options are less than 1 hectare, 1 to 2 hectare, 2 to 4 hectare, 4 to 10 hectare and greater than 10 hectare. And the correct answer, it is 1 to 2 hectare. It is the land holding in case of small scale farmers. Question number 10. BT cotton protects the cotton crop from which insect? The options are aphid, jussets, whitefly, thrips and bollworm. And the correct answer, it is bollworm. Question number 11. Elevation process, it is related to which horizon? The options are A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, O horizon and the last option, it is E horizon. And elevation process, it is related to B horizon. Option B, it is the correct answer. Next question, question number 12. Choose the macronutrient among in these options. We have to choose the macronutrient. Options are copper, molybdenum, potassium, manganese and iron. And the macronutrient which is present in this option, it is potassium. Option C, it is the correct answer. Question number 13. New leaf of plant, they shows the yellow symptoms and veins they remain green is caused by the deficiency of which nutrient? The options are iron, manganese, nitrogen, sulfur and calcium. And the correct answer it is manganese. The new leaf of the plant they show yellow symptoms and veins they remain green. It is caused due to the deficiency of manganese nutrient. Question number 14. Golden revolution it is related to. The options are cereals, fruits, onion, fertilizer, pulses. And the correct answer it is fruit. Golden revolution it is related to fruits. Question number 15. Blue tag it is related to which type of seeds? The options are nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed and registered certified seed. The correct answer it is certified seed. The blue tag it is related to certified seed. Question number 16. Symbiosis nitrogen fixation it is related to which organism? The options are Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum, Acetobacter and Azolla. And the correct answer it is Rhizobium. It is the organism which is related to the symbiosis nitrogen fixation. Option A it is the correct answer. Next question, question number 17. The germination percentage of wheat. The options are 85%, 70%, 75%, 90% and 95%. And the germination percentage of wheat it is 85%. Question number 18. The study of gardening tree to make shade and shape it is called as. The options are landscape horticulture, viticulture, lawn making, arboriculture and none of these. And the study of gardening tree to make the shade and shape it is called as arboriculture. Question number 19. What is the feed conversion ratio that is FCR of standard broiler chicken which is reared in enclosed house? The options are 1 to 1.4, 1.5 to 1.9, 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 2.83 and 3. And the feed conversion ratio of standard broiler chicken which is reared in an enclosed house it is 1.5 to 1.9. Option B it is the correct answer. Next question, question number 20. Soil strength it is measured by which instrument? The options are penetrometer, dynamometer, hydrometer, thermometer and all of these. The correct option it is option A, penetrometer. It is the instrument which is used to measure the soil strength. Next question, question number 21. The hormone which is responsible for the milk let down. The options are oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone, endosterone. And the correct option it is option A, oxytocin. It is the hormone which is responsible for the milk laid down. Next question, question number 22. The technique which reduces the soil erosion, evaporation, kinetic energy and it has impact on the raindrops. It is known as. The options are mulching, multiple cropping, strip cropping, crop rotation, parallel cropping. And the correct option it is option A, mulching. It is the technique which reduces the soil erosion, evaporation, kinetic energy and has impact on the raindrops. Question number 23. The leaf farming it refers to. The options are grow of grasses, grow of cereals, grow of fruits, grow of vegetables and grow of flower. And leaf farming it is nothing but the growth of grass. Question number 24. The vaccine for Ranicate disease in poultry. The options are RDV vaccine, pigeon vaccine, ADL vaccine, Lasato, none of these. And the vaccine which is used for ranicate disease in poultry, it is Lasota. Question number 25. Which is not a bacterial disease? The options are coccidiosis, Achilles, anthrax, septicemia. And the options, correct option, it is option A, coccidiosis. It is not an bacterial disease. Question number 26. The online electronic trading of agricultural commodities, it is done through which platform? The options are ENAM, PKYWY, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, ISS, RWBCIS. And the correct option, it is option A, ENAM. It is the online electronic trading of the agricultural commodities. Question number 27. Which oil cake it is used in the fish pond to kill the predatory insects? The options are mahua, cotton, castor, groundnut, mustard. And the correct option, it is option A, mahua. It is the oil cake which is used in the fish pond to kill the predatory insects. Question number 28. The vaccination for FMD, that is foot and mouth disease, in sheep, it is given after how many days, how many months? Okay, the options are 6 months, 12 months, 10 months, 4 months and 1 month. And the correct option, it is 6 months. The vaccination for FMD in sheep, it is given after 6 months. Question number 29. Aphid, it is a vector for which disease of tobacco? The options are leaf curl, rosette, root burn, brown spot and cucumber mosaic virus. The option number D, it is the correct answer, cucumber mosaic virus. For this disease, aphid, it is the vector. Question number 30. The removal of male flowers in banana after the completion of the female phase, it is known as? The options are denavelling, desuckering, detopping, detracing and spading. And the correct option, it is option A, denavelling. It is the removal of male flowers in banana after the completion of the female phase. Question number 31. Which are the diagnostic symptoms of sorghum shoot fly? The options are adult feed on names and shooty appearance, grain yield reduction, larva cut growing point and they cause the dead hearts, and last option is none of these. The diagnostic symptoms of sorghum shoot fly, it is they cut the larvae they cut the growing point and they cause the dead hearts. Question number 32. Crown cleaning, it is related to? The options are mango, coconut, papaya, beer. And the correct option, it is option B, coconut. The crown cleaning, it is related to coconut. Question number 33. What is pulsing? The options are pulse storage, apple storage, post harvesting, fruit production and onion storage. Option C, it is the correct answer, post harvesting. Question number 34. Grape training system where they are connected with each other. The options are skipping, bower, telephone, sniffing, none of these. And the correct option is telephone. It is the grape training system where they are connected with each other. Question number 35. The highest lactation period in which breed of goat? The options are Jamnapari, Beetle, Sirohi, Barbary, Malabari. And option first, it is the correct answer, Jamunapari. It is the highest, means in this breed we can have the highest lactation period. Question number 36. The regrowth of crop from stubble, it is known as? The options are rattoning, cutting, mutation, cloning, tuning. And option first, it is the correct answer, rattoning. It is the process in which the regrowth of crop takes place through stubbles. Question number 37. White muscardine disease it is related to. The options are cattle, sheep and goat, poultry, silkworm, pig. And the correct option it is option D. This disease it is related to silkworm. Question number 38. Finger-like structure are formed in which erosion? The options are slate erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion, splash erosion. And option B it is the correct answer. In case of rill erosion, we can have the finger-like structures. Question number 39. Which of the following sentence it is wrong about honeybee? The options are option first. Swarming is their natural method of propagation. Option B. Unfertilized egg that develops into worker bee. Third, caterpillar of wax moth they feed only on the honeycomb and it does not feed on bees. Last option it is super queen bee. It can be developed from the worker bee during the unfavorable condition. And here the wrong statement about honeybee it is option first. Swarming is the natural method of propagation. Next question 40. Which sex trap it is used to trap the male insects? The options are water pan traps, pheromone traps, water trap, electric greed traps, minimow trap. And option B it is the correct answer. Pheromone trap it is the sex trap which is used to trap the male insects. Question number 41. Which sheep breed of Northwest India it is known for the best quality white wool? The options are Gadi, Magra, Gurej, Changthangni. And option B it is the correct answer. Maghra it is the sheep breed of Northwest India which is known for its best quality white wool. Question number 42. The soil moisture it is decreased to wilting point. The water which is held tightly by the soil particles it is called as. The options are hygroscopic coefficient, wilting point, permanent wilting point, saturation point, and none of these. The correct option it is option first, hygroscopic coefficient. Next question. Gawa paste which feed on the eggs on soft skin of ripening fruits, and on hatching the maggots they bore into the fruits and they feed on the soft pulp. The infected they show the depression with dark green punctures, and when it is cut open the maggots they are visible, and finally the fruit rot and fall. We have to identify the Gawa paste which shows this symptoms. The options are fruit fly, mealybug, white aphid, white fly, and thrips. And the correct option it is option A, that is fruit fly. Fruit fly it is the paste of Gawa which shows this symptoms. Next question, question number 44. Which medicinal plant it is known as laxative medicinal plant? The options are Isabgol, Ashwagandha, Hanban, Gughal. And the correct option it is Isabgol. Option first it is the correct answer. Question number 45. In which planting system 4 plants are planted in a square in which the plant to plant and row to row distance is same, and the plants they are planted to the right angle to each other? The options are square planting system, rectangle, hexagonal, diagonal, and triangular. And the correct answer it is option first. In square planting system 4 plants they are planted in a square and in which the plant to plant and row to row distance is same, and the plants they are planted to right angle to each other. Next question, question number 46. Which of the following disease of rose? Grayish white powdery patches are seen on the leaves, on the tender leaves and flower buds. Mature leaves they get malformed and the flower buds they fail to open and plant present the wilted appearance. The options are powdery mildew, downy mildew, black spot, rust, crown gale. and the correct option, it is option first, powdery mildew. So in rose, this all the symptoms they occurs due to powdery mildew. Question number 47. A zone within the earth that restricts the flow of groundwater from one aquifer to another. The options are purge aquifer, aquiflood, aquifuse, aquifer, and aquislides. And option C, it is the correct answer, aquifers. It is the zone within the earth that restricts the flow of groundwater from one aquifer to another. Question number 48. Which fungus role in biological control agent in cotton bollworm? The options are Vertilium, Helicorma armigera, Spodoptera luteins, and Buria bassiana. And the correct option, it is option D, Beauveria bassiana. It is the fungus which play a key role in the biological control agent in cotton bollworm. Next question, question number 49. Lay farming, it is related to. The options are layering in horticulture, more layer birds in limited space, rearing of poultry animals. Last option, it is leguminous pastures with grain crops. Option D, it is the correct answer. Lay farming, it is related to leguminous pasture with grain crops. Question number 50. Vaccine which is given to the sheep at an interval of. The options are 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 10 months, and 12 months. And the correct option, it is option B, 6 months. Next question, question number 51. The sodium deficiency in animal, which symptoms and it causes what? The options are appetite losses, milk reduction, dehydration and fluid reduction, patient paralysis, suddenly the milk stop. The correct option, it is option C, dehydration and fluid reduction. It is the symptoms when there is a sodium deficiency. Question number 52. In which crafting the rootstock is debated 45 cm from the ground level, two slopes it is cut given, and a wedge it is made tongue shaped scion, then it is inserted. The options are veneer grafting, wedge grafting, inside budding, air layering. And the correct option, it is option B. In case of wedge grafting, the rootstock it is debated 45 cm from the ground level, two slopes it is cut given, and a wedge it is made in which the tongue shaped scion it is inserted. Question number 53. Mating of wider degree range of relationship not close to one another and result in the uniformity is. The options are outbreeding, backcrossing, test crossing, inbreeding, and line breeding. And option A, it is the correct answer, that is outbreeding. Next question, question number 54. Which institution it is established to provide the vocational training to the farmers and the field level extension officers workers? The options are KVK, NABARD, ATMA, IFCO, NARAM. And the correct option, it is option first, that is KVK. Question number 55. Milk, it is a which type of emulsion? The options are oil in water, water in oil, oil in oil, water in water, and fog in water. Milk, it is a oil in water type of emulsion. Question number 56. Which is irregular variety of mango? The options are Amrapalli, Kesar, Neelam, Totapari, Himsagar. And Kesar, it is an irregular variety of mango. Question number 57. NRLM scheme, it is also known as. The options are D, NRLM, SGSY, PM Kisan, Kisan, NRLM. NRLM, it is this scheme, it is also known as DAY NRLM. Question number 58. Next question number 58. The type of silkworm that breed only one time in a year. The options are univolatile strain, volatile strain, monostrain, and monovolaticulture. The option which is correct, it is first, univolatile strain. It is the type of silkworm that breed only one time in a year. Next question number 59. Which is a tropical fruit? The options are papaya, apple, pineapple, aloe bukhara, and pear. And the tropical fruit among this, it is papaya. Question number 60. What is that place which is used for feeding of lamb, calf, and piglets, but it is not used for adult? The options are cattle shed, conventional dairy barn, cow shed, losing house system, and creep. The correct option, it is last, that is creep. Next question. Which is drought and low milk indigenous breed of cow? The options are Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Khilari, Dioni. And the correct option, it is the Khilari. Option D, it is the correct answer. It is a drought and low milk indigenous breed of cow. The last question we will discuss here. Yellow color of milk is due to which pigment? The options are carotene, casein, albumin, globulin, and lactose. The correct option, it is option A, that is carotene. The yellow color of milk, it is due to the pigment of carotene. So friends, here we have discussed the 2019 IBPS mains AFO paper. If you need the answer key of IBPS AFO 2020 paper, so please have a look in it. So stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.